Hey, it's Angeline here. Welcome back to another crafty video with me, and this week we are going to do something special for the Australian wildfires. This set by Unity is called KOALA-TY Friends, and half of the proceeds for this week is going to go to this cause, so grab your set today. So I'm starting off with this Simon Says Stamp Leafy frame stencil and my favorite distress oxide inks to ink up my background. So to adhere the stencil to my cardstock, I'm using some Pixie spray by Thermoweb. This will help the stencil to adhere to your cardstock without being too harsh and tearing up the cardstock. So I'm grabbing my makeup blending brush here and the tumbled glass, which is the lighter blue, and just carefully inking around the stencil. This stencil is pretty delicate, so just go slow and steady. Then I'm grabbing the broken china here to add some shadows to the blues. Once you remove the stencil, if you notice, behind the stencil it will be whatever your color of the cardstock is, so in my case it is white. So if you want a different color, like the bottom of my card here, I'm starting off by inking with the shabby shutters and then placing back the stencil to the position, then grabbing a darker shade of green here, which is the mauve lawn, and then adding the shadows in. Now when you remove the stencil, as you can see, behind the stencil it is going to be the color of whatever you ink your cardstock to be. So this is kind of a fun way to ink up with some stencils. Next, I'm grabbing some water here and doing the clapping method to add some water to my card to create the oxidized effect. Then I'm grabbing the sentiment here, which is a really beautiful one for this cause, and I'm just adhering it to my card along with the sweet koala bear there. Next, I'm grabbing the Nuvo Dream Drops in Indigo Eclipse here to add some dots to the bottom of my leaves. So here is my finished card. I hope you enjoyed this quick tip technique today, and thank you for helping for the Australian wildfires cause. Thanks for watching. Bye!